Is your banking app helping you, or just holding your money? The surprising truth about the UnionPay Bank app in 2026 may change how you think about digital banking. UnionPay Bank app is a mobile-first banking solution built for speed, accessibility, and everyday transactions. It focuses on core banking features like checking, savings, transfers, and spending insights without overwhelming users. Getting started is quick. After verification, users can open a checking account, receive direct deposits, and manage bills directly from the app. You won't believe how fast transactions process compared to older banking systems. One of the app's strongest features is real-time spending tracking. Purchases are categorized instantly, helping users see exactly where their money goes. Most people get this wrong by checking balances instead of habits, and UnionPay fixes that. UnionPay also offers early access to paychecks, which can be a major help for cash flow management. Security is another strong point, with biometric login, instant alerts, and the ability to freeze your card with one tap. Savings accounts earn modest interest, competitive with many digital banks, but not the highest available. The focus here is convenience, not maximizing yield. Where UnionPay falls short is advanced financial tools. There are no built-in investment options or credit-building programs, making it best suited for basic banking needs. In conclusion, the UnionPay Bank app in 2026 is still worth it if you want fast, reliable, no-nonsense banking. It's ideal for users who value simplicity and control. Subscribe for more clear, unbiased banking reviews.